Yes. Okay, so the total variable cost of manufacturing X units is 3x plus x raised to power 5 upon 25. So what is this? 3x plus x raised to power 5 upon 25. The total variable cost. Yes. So it is actually TVC, total variable cost, TVC of X. Of manufacturing X unit is 3x plus x raised to power 5 upon 25. Okay. Show that the average variable cost increases with output X. So what you have to show, that average variable cost, it means AVC of X, increases with output X, with X. Now what does this means? It means as X is increasing, AVC of X is also increasing. Clear? So how we can find a function is increasing or decreasing? We have to differentiate that function, and we will check whether the slope is positive, whether the derivative is positive or not. So first we will differentiate this function, uh, total variable. No, actually we have to check whether AVC is increasing or not. So first we have to find AVC of X, average variable cost of X. Okay. So AVC is TVC of X divided by X. Okay. So AVC will be 3 plus x raised to power 4 upon 25. Okay. So this is what AVC, average variable cost function. Okay. Now differentiate AVC function. So D of AVC of X divided by D of X. So its derivative will be what? 4x cube upon 25. Correct? Clear yahan tak? Okay. Now, how we check whether a function is increasing or decreasing? Zero से equate करते, we equate the first derivative to 0. So 4x cube upon 25 is equal to 0, and you will get critical point. So here critical point will be 0 only. Okay. So you will get two intervals, that is first interval is minus infinity to 0 and second interval is 0 to infinity. But we will not use this interval. Why? Because X cannot be negative. Number of items produced cannot be negative. So interval will be only 0 to infinity. Now put any value between 0 to infinity and check the sign of this. So we can see that d AVC of X divided by D of X is greater than 0, is greater than 0 for all X belongs to this interval 0 to infinity. Hence, we can say that DAVC of X, sorry, AVC of X, average variable cost function, is increasing function. Is increasing function. Clear?
Sir, can you please re-explain that part?
Which part? Till this part, it is clear?
Yes, sir. This one understood.
Ye wala part? Okay. So we have equated the derivative of this function to 0, and we got the critical point 0. So the overall interval will be minus infinity to plus infinity, and the critical point is 0. Here, uh, here we can reject this interval minus infinity to 0, because X is number of items produced, so it cannot be negative. So we will consider only this interval 0 to infinity. Now choose any value between this interval. Let us consider X is equal to 5, which belongs to this interval, and put that value here in the first derivative. You can check the sign is positive for that. Okay, it means the first derivative is greater than 0 on this interval. It is positive on this interval. Hence, the function is increasing. This is what we do in case of increasing, decreasing. We check the sign of that function in that interval. If the sign is positive, then the function is considered as increasing. If it is negative, then considered as decreasing. Okay, shall we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Just try to solve question number 7. स्टार्ट करो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, if c is equal to if c is equal to 2x under bracket x plus 4 upon x plus 1 plus 6 is the total cost of production of x unit. So it is basically c of x. Show that marginal cost falls continuously as x increases. So what you have to show that marginal cost is decreasing function of x. Decreasing function of x. So in order to show marginal cost is decreasing function of x, we have to show that md by dx of mc, marginal cost, is negative or less than 0, or less than 0. Clear? Okay. Less than 0 for what interval? Obviously for interval 0 to infinity. Okay, because x belongs to this interval only, because x is number of items produced. Okay, so how we calculate marginal cost?
Sir, d by dx of cx.
Correct. So mc, marginal cost, is d by dx of c of x. So here mc, marginal cost, will be derivative of this. So you have to apply actually uh, uh, quotient rule apply hoga na. So 2 times take this x inside the bracket, and it will be x square plus 4x upon x plus 1. Now it will be easy to apply quotient rule. Okay, otherwise you have to apply product and chain quotient, both the rules. So it is better to place this x inside the bracket. Plus 6 kahan hai? Plus 6. Okay, plus 6 is also there. Yes, plus 6 we have to write, but after derivative it will become 0. So mc is equal to further it will be like 2, and for applying quotient rule, first we will get square of denominator and that, and after that denominator, derivative of numerator. So derivative of numerator will be 2x plus 4 minus numerator, that is x square plus 4x, into derivative of denominator, it is 1, and plus derivative of 6 is 0. Okay, so we'll get this. After this we will simplify this expression. So how we can simplify? uh, we can take 2 common here, from it will be like x plus 2. We can take x common from here, so it will be, no, nothing is common here. So I think we have to, yes, open कर लो brackets and terms को cancel out कर लो, जो terms cancel out हो रही है. So in denominator it is x plus 1 whole square, because we cannot able to take anything common from numerator. So just open the bracket and you'll get expansion of this. So it will be 2x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 4, and this term will be minus x square minus 4x. Just remember this sign should be, you have to carefully put the sign, because many times students keep this sign as positive. Okay, so इस पे ध्यान देना. So 2 times it will be x square, and plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled out. You will get 2x plus 4 plus 4 na, divided by, it is x plus 1 whole square. So that's it. Further, whether we can factorize the numerator or not? No, not possible. Factorization is further not possible. So not required. Factorization is not required. So this is what MC. Now look at the question again. What we have to do? We have to show that MC is decreasing function. So for that, we have to again differentiate MC in order to check whether it is negative or positive. So we will find d by dx of MC. So derivative of this function will be, first we will take 2 outside this, and we will again apply the
So that
quotient.
we will find critical points, no?
Critical points. So yes, critical point is required, but after differentiating MC, because here we have to check whether FC is increasing or decreasing. So here it is our objective function. Okay. Okay, so it will be x plus 1 whole square, whole raised to power 4, sorry, x plus 1 raised to power 4, correct? and in numerator it will be denominator derivative of numerator, so it will be 2x plus 2 minus numerator, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 into derivative of denominator, so sorry, plus 4 derivative of denominator will be 2 times x plus 1. Okay, check. एक्चुअली हमको एमसी को डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन प्रूफ करना है ना, तो एमसी वाला फंक्शन पहले क्रिएट करने के लिए सी को डिफरेंशिएट किए। समझ में आया? और अब यहां से वो इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग वाला फंडामेंटल चालू होता है। ठीक है, now we take 2 common from here and 2 from here, so outside it will be like 4, and this term will be x plus 1 whole cube. Check and do it with yourself. So in numerator it will be minus x plus 1 into x square plus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 raised to power 4. Okay, further we can take x plus 1 common from numerator, and in denominator it is x plus 1 raised to power 3, and in numerator we will get x plus 1 whole square minus it is x square plus 2x and it is plus 4. Okay, so further, no, it is power 4, and after this we'll get power 3. So further, d by dx of mc, it will be like 4 upon x plus 1 whole cube एक सेकेंड ना, मैं पहले पूरा सॉल्व कर लूं, फिर उसके बाद आ जाए उस पॉइंट पे। ये दोनों टर्म्स कट जाएंगी, ये दोनों टर्म्स कट जाएंगी, you'll get negative sign. So it is minus 3. Minus 3 4s are 12 upon x plus 1 whole cube. So how many of you are getting this result? नहीं आ रहा है? हाँ, अब बताओ रिया, कहाँ पूछ रहे हो, क्या डाउट है? ये 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 हाँ, एक मिनट, कोई आया कि मैं देख लूं? हाँ रिया, इस स्टेप में क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? इस स्टेप में, हाँ हाँ हाँ, करेक्ट। यहां से भी ये वाला 2 निकला, यहां से भी वही वाला 2, और फिर उसके बाद x प्लस 1 और कुछ डाउट? और कुछ डाउट कहीं? चेक कर लो।
So why you have written x plus 1 cube there?
Here x plus 1 cube, how we are getting x
Not,
plus 1?
not from there, like the initial
Here,
section.
here,
Just above that.
here na,
So the equation above that.
above that, here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same doubt what Riya asked. Okay, so here it is like x plus 1 whole square, and we can take 2 common from here, so it will become x plus 1. Okay, so when we take 2 common from here, it will be like x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So that's why x plus 1 square into x plus 1, it will become x plus 1 cube. And further, this 2 from here and 2 from here taken common from the bracket, so we'll get 4 here. Okay, any other doubts? कृष्णा खुद से सॉल्व कर रहा था क्या? ओके, चेक कर लेना सॉल्यूशन से। ठीक है, आगे बढ़े हम लोग इसमें क्वेश्चन में। सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू एग्जैक्टली हियर, that we have to show that MC is negative. For that we have to show that its derivative is negative. जीरो से इक्वेट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है इसमें, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव फंक्शन. ये ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव फंक्शन आ रहा है ना. फॉर एनी वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स which belongs to interval 0 to infinity, put any value of x here. x की कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करो, आपको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पर? नेगेटिव मिलेगा. सो d of mc of dx is always less than 0. It is less than 0 means mc function is decreasing. mc नेगेटिव आया ना, -12. हो गया प्रूफ. क्लियर? एनी डाउट्स? आगे बढ़े. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, चेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. रिया क्वेश्चन पढ़ना. x plus 5 plus 36 by x in terms of output x. So x is number of items produced. Okay. Total cost and marginal cost in terms of x. Okay. Okay. Output for which AC increases. X key values for which AC is increasing function. Okay. Okay. So let's solve this question. First, what is relation between AC and TC? Here TC is nothing but C of x. Okay. Total cost. Yes. So AC, oh sorry, AC, yes, AC is equal to C of x upon x. Okay. So C of x is equal to AC into x. So here C of x will be multiply x with this expression and you will get x square plus 5x plus 36. So this will be your C of x. Okay. This is C of x. So first part. Also you have to find MC here. So how we can get MC? MC is equal to d by dx of C of x. So derivative of C of x will be 2x plus 5. So this is what MC. So this was the first part of question. Clear? Clear? Now you have to find the value of x for which AC is an increasing function. Okay. No. So for that we have to differentiate AC first. Yes. Correct. Check करते. So d by dx of AC. So it will be 1 minus 36 upon x square. Okay. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 5 is 0, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Recall karo. ठीक है, clear? Now we will put d by dx of AC to 0. So it will be 1 minus 36 upon x square is equal to 0. So it will be like 1 is equal to 36 upon x square. So x square is equal to 36. So you'll get x is equal to plus minus 6. You will take only positive value because number of items cannot be negative. So here we got two intervals. The first interval is from 0 to 6 and second interval is from 0 to infinity. Okay. Now we will check the sign of this function, this derivative. It is positive on which interval? Okay. Now क्योंकि x जो है वो नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता ना. हाँ, बोलो क्या पूछ रहे हो. ये कैसे आया? ये कैसे आया? ये पढ़ने के लिए डेरिवेटिव रिकॉल करो. एक्स का डेरिवेटिव 1, 5 का डेरिवेटिव 0, 36 बाहर, 1 अपॉन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? -1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर। ठीक है। और कुछ किसी का डाउट तो पूछ लो। यहां तक क्लियर? नाउ चेक द साइन ऑफ दिस डेरिवेटिव in this interval 0 to 6. It is negative. Put suppose x is equal to 1, you will get negative value. So for this interval the AC function is decreasing function, whereas for this interval 6 to infinity the AC function will be increasing. Check whether the sign is positive or not. Yes, it will be positive for this interval. Okay, so for this interval the AC is increasing. So what value of x it is it start getting increasing? The value is 6. 6 to infinity it is increasing, but the start value is 6. So we will write x is equal to 6. Okay, clear? Chevy, Naina? Huh.
So directly, like from the first part only, our second part is derived.
From first part,
So like x is equals to 6 we got now, so that we got after the derivative of AC. So for second part, from which step we have to show our answer.
from this part.
So that means we'll have to draw this number line as a reference.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, the actual way is to draw the number line here. Okay, clear? Next question. Start next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. क्या है क्वेश्चन पढ़ना रिया? C is equal to ax square plus bx plus k is total cost function. So it is C of x. Slope of average cost function. It means क्या होगा? Slope of average cost function is what? बस ये निकालना है. Second part, slope of MC is equal to question mark. तो जस्ट रिकॉल करना, मैं कुछ चीजें रिकॉल कराता हूं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल y इज इक्वल टू 2x+5, ये एक इक्वेशन है. किसकी इक्वेशन है ये एक लाइन की इक्वेशन है. इसका स्लोप क्या है? इसका स्लोप क्या है? हियर द स्लोप इज 2. Okay, here the slope m is equal to 2. How we calculate the slope? Using derivative. We differentiate the function and dy by dx will give you the slope, what we have seen in tangents and normal. So when we differentiate this equation, dy by dx is equal to what? 2. So here 2 is the slope of this y. Okay. Now similarly we have to find the slope of AC. So how we get slope of AC? We have to find d by dx of AC. Clear? So it will give you slope of AC. Correct? Similarly, for the second part, we have to calculate slope of MC. So d by dx of MC. That's it. Clear, Chevy? Okay. Naina, clear na? So first we will find AC. It will be AX plus B plus C upon X. And further d by dx of AC, it will be A minus C upon X square. So this will be the answer of first part. कहां दो बार डिफरेंशिएट कर? और आपको क्वेश्चन के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा ना, आपको क्या करना है. ये के है क्या? ओके सॉरी, के. हाँ रिया पूछो. ठंडी ज्यादा लग रही है क्या? यार स्लोप ऑफ एसी निकालना है, पहले एसी निकालो, स्लोप के लिए उसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दो, और क्या है? एसी निकालने के लिए हाँ. अब जैसे एमसी है, स्लोप ऑफ एमसी निकालना, सो फर्स्ट हम क्या लिखेंगे? एमसी निकालेंगे. अब एमसी क्या होता है? डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ सी होता है. ठीक है, तो पहले एमसी निकालो. तो एमसी क्या होगा? सी का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? 2ax प्लस बी. अब स्लोप ऑफ एमसी निकालना है. बिल्कुल. ये फॉर्मूला इसीलिए तो मैं बोला कल जो मैंने पॉइंट्स लिखा है ना वो ध्यान में रखना है या सामने रखो अपने d by dx of mc, so it is like 2a, so the answer of second part is 2a. Okay, हाँ वो सिर्फ समझाने के लिए बताया, ये वाला पार्ट समझाने के लिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे मूव करें। उसमें देखो हिंट भी दिया है बुक में, हाँ क्वेश्चन पेपर में नहीं दिया रहेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, question number 10. Okay, now the demand function is given. So read question number 10 carefully. What is given? The demand function of monopolist is given by, demand function is given by P is equal to 1500 minus 2x minus x square. So this one is demand function. Find the marginal revenue. You have to find a marginal revenue. MR is equal to question mark. For any level of output X. So for X, for any value of X. Okay. So you have to find MR. It will be in terms of X actually. In terms of X. Okay. Further, also find the MR when X is equal to 10. Also find MR at X is equal to 10. Okay, question is clear to all? Yes,
Here
confirm.
we will use that formula, no, d by dx of p into x.
No, actually, I think that is not required here. Let's see. First, just recall how we calculate how we calculate marginal revenue.
So d by dx of revenue only.
Yes, yes. Just a second. हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो कृष्णा? नहीं, ये जो P है ये क्या गिवन है क्वेश्चन में? देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है, P is what? Demand function of monistic. P is actually price. Price. P is actually price है, ठीक है? Okay. So the MR is equal to d by dx of revenue function, that is R of x. And just recall how we calculate R of x. R of x is equal to P into x. So here P is given. So R of x is equal to P. The value of P is 1500 minus 2x minus x square into x. Okay. So R of x is equal to what? R of x is equal to 1500x minus 2x square minus x cube. Okay. So this will be the revenue function. Okay. Further, we have to find marginal revenue. So MC, it will be d by dx of R of x. So derivative of R of x will be 1500 minus 4x minus 3. Huh? Sorry, MR. Huh, correct. Marginal revenue, MR. MR is equal to this. So this will be the answer of first part. Clear? Shall we clear? Okay. Further, we have to find MR at x is equal to 10. MR at x is equal to 10. So simply put 10 in this equation and you'll get MR at x is equal to 10. Naina, are you solving this question?
Yes, sir.
Solve कर रहे हो ना नैना क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir. I'm understanding it first.
अच्छा, नेटवर्क इशू. 1160. Okay, 1160. Okay. Now start next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Actually, the important part is marginal revenue and profit when profit is maximum. So the question which is asked may be in terms of profit and marginal revenue. So उन पे ज़्यादा focus करना है, okay? But all depends on this cost function, revenue function. That's why हमने उसको पहले solve किया. Question number 11. Now, in question number 11, the demand function, the demand of a certain product is presented by this equation. P is equal to 300 plus 25x minus x square. Find the marginal revenue function. Okay, find the marginal revenue function. So simply revenue R of x is equal to P into x. So R of x is equal to 300 plus 25x minus x square into x. So revenue function R of x will be 300x plus 25x square minus x cube. Okay. So marginal revenue, in first part you have to find marginal revenue. So MR will be equal to d by dx of revenue R of x, and it will be 300 plus it will be 50x minus 3x square. Okay, so the answer of first part will be this. Now in second part, you have to obtain marginal revenue at x is equal to 12. So just put x is equal to 12 here, and you will get marginal revenue at x is equal to 12. Whatever will be that value, you can do the calculation.
So for second one, I'm getting 468, but then how we have to interpret it?
For the second part, marginal revenue.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So here marginal revenue at x is equal to 12. At x is equal to 12, it is equal to 468. Now you have to do the interpretation. Okay. कैसे नेगेटिव आएगा? x is equal to 12 पुट करो और प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन करो. तुम लोगों को कैलकुलेटर्स अलाउड नहीं है ना? ओके, यहां तक हुआ. मैं इंटरप्रिटेशन एक्सप्लेन करूं. Okay, so the interpretation of this means if MR at x is equal to 12, it means for the 13th product, the revenue will be like this.
So we have to divide it only.
We have to divide.
Like how we are getting 13.
No, actually plus one of this. So if the marginal revenue at x is equal to 12 is 468, it means for the 13th product we are selling, we will get the revenue of 468. So this is what the interpretation of marginal revenue in terms of economics.
If x was 13, so our interpretation will be 14, like
correct.
One product ahead it will be.
Yes, correct. So actually what does this means? MR of x is equal to, for example, it is 500. It means for x plus 1th product, our revenue will be this. Okay. R. Correct. Revenue at 30. Yes, it is actually revenue of 13th product. Revenue of 13th product. Not. R x is equal to 11. That will be the revenue of 12th product. Okay. Okay, clear? हाँ, मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू जो एक्चुअली क्या है, जो टर्मिनोलॉजी है इकोनॉमिक्स पे बेस्ड, उसमें यही मेंशन है कि जो मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू किसी प्रोडक्ट का निकालना है तो उसके पहले वाले प्रोडक्ट को लेके. हाँ. तुम लोगों ने पढ़ा इकोनॉमिक्स, अब तुम लोगों को ज्यादा क्लियर हो गई. ओके. Next, the third part of this question is total revenue when MR is equal to, नहीं, sorry, मैं गलत क्वेश्चन देख रहा हूँ. sorry, in the third part we have to calculate R13 minus R12. Yes. So in in order to find R13 minus R12, what we have to do, we have to find MR14. MR14 minus MR12. Sorry,
Like
MR
the
MR.
value that we have found there for revenue is equals to P into X, directly we can put our values there only, no, for 13 and 12.
Uh,
So there 300x plus 25x square minus x cube.
just give me 2 minutes, Chevy. MR12 and it will be MR11. Huh, sorry, it will be like this. Okay. Yes, Chevy.
Sir, I'm asking like you have written there that we have to find out marginal revenue first. But like formula for revenue is P into X only. So we can directly put our values for 13 and 12 there in that
13.
equation. 300x plus 25x square minus x cube.
Yes. Yes, correct. But one thing, just remember, just understand this. Here, the revenue function is the total revenue of X products. Correct. So if X is equal to 10, it means the revenue of total 10 products. But when we calculate the MR of 12, it means it is the revenue for 13th product only. From 13th product, what we are revenue is there. Okay. Is it clear?
So like in the question they have written directly R13 minus R12. So that means first we have to find out marginal revenue and then we have to calculate it.
R13. Yes, I think it is capital R13. So we have to calculate simply revenue like this. Okay. Yes, for the second part, we have to use this function. We don't need to calculate this. Correct. Correct. Just do the correction. In case of R13 minus R12, it will be like uh, put 13 here. So it will be 300. Yes, question may directly mentioned, into 13 minus 300 plus 20. ये भी 13 आएगा ना, sorry. 15, 25 into 12 minus 12 square into 12, it will be 325 into 13 minus 13 square into 13. Okay, so further it will be R13 minus R12. Now calculate this. 13 है, sorry, 13. और यहाँ पर 12 आएगा, यहाँ पर 12 आएगा ना, ये 12 होगा. ओके, अब कैलकुलेट करो, एक काम करो. सो 13 into 300, okay, minus plus 13 square into 25 minus 13 cube. Similarly,
I think it will be wrong. I am getting 4007.
4007.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
And in the book it is given 456.
I think you have checked this using calculator or with
Yes,
manual.
okay.
With,
Calculator.
एक काम करो, एक और कोई कैलकुलेट करो. मैं एक सेकंड. Okay, so 300 into 13 plus 25 into 13 square minus 13 cube. So I think for the first part we will get 5928 minus for the second part it will be
1921.
300 into 12. Just wait. Same आ रहा है 300 into 12 plus 25 into 12 square plus नहीं ये minus 12 cube. 5472. Just check this. 5928 minus this. Yes, it is 456. Okay. Okay, correct. So ये हो गया क्लियर, ये चीजें क्या करनी. Yes. Now solve next question, question number 12. Question number 12. So 12th question is the total revenue in rupees from sale of X units of a product is given like this. So revenue function is given, R of X is equal to 300x minus x square upon 5. First you have to find average revenue. So average revenue, how we calculate average revenue? Simply R of X upon X. This is what average revenue. So it will be 300 minus x upon 5. So answer of first part will be this. Okay. Now the second part, we have to find marginal revenue. So marginal revenue MR is equal to d by dx of R of X. So derivative of R of X will be 300 minus 2x upon 5. So this will be MR. Okay. Now in the third part, calculate marginal revenue at x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0 here and you will get MR. MR will be 300. Okay. क्या पूछा है margin? Sorry. Total revenue when MR is equal to 0. So just put MR is equal to 0. That is equal to 300 minus 2x upon 5. Put MR is equal to 0. Okay. MR के place पे 0 put किया. So it will be like 2x upon 5 is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 into 5 upon 2. 2 ones और ये कितना हो जाएगा 150. 150 750 यार. X is equal to 750. Now put x is equal to 750 in revenue function because you have to find a total revenue. So R 750, calculate this and you'll get total revenue when MR is equal to 0. Okay. Check करो answers. कंटिन्यू करो, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना, जहां पर प्रॉब्लम आ रही पूछो फिर. Shavi, question number 12, third part. Have you done with this?
Sir, to mine.
Okay. हाँ, इसमें आंसर में भी बहुत बड़ी वैल्यू गिवन है ना. 12 हो गया तो 13 करना ना फिर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़े, ये हो गया ना। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 चेक करना क्या गिवन है। इफ P is equals to 100 upon Q plus 2 minus 4 represents the demand function for P products. So usually X products होते थे, सॉरी Q products, usually X products होते थे, यहाँ पर क्या Q products है। So जो X का रोल होता था वो Q से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, तो जो Q है उसको X समझना, समझ गए ना ये चीज। ओके, for the products where P is the price per unit and when Q units are sold, find the marginal revenue. Okay, so marginal revenue, you have to find marginal revenue. MR is equal to question mark. It is MR is equal to what? D by dx of R of X. Okay, हाँ, so R of X is equal to P into Q, because in place of X we have Q. So यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा 100 upon Q plus 2 into Q. Okay, sorry, minus 4 into Q. Okay, so represent this as R of Q, not R of X. So R of Q will be 100 Q upon Q plus 2 minus 4Q. Okay, so this is R of Q. Now you have to find marginal revenue. So MR is equal to D by DQ of R of Q. Now calculate this and you'll get marginal revenue. Okay, solve karo. Shaivi, kuch doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, आ गया। ऐसा नहीं होगा 100 माइनस 4, वो जो 100 Q अपॉन Q प्लस 2 है इसमें क्वोशिएंट रूल अप्लाई होगा। यस, सॉल्व करोगी, हो जाएगा ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कर दो अगर हो गया तो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, 14। पहले प्रॉफिट निकालेंगे। प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू रेवेन्यू माइनस कॉस्ट और उसके डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे। सॉल्व करो, चलो जल्दी एक खत्म करना, उसके बाद ही छुट्टी होगी। मैं सुबह 9:30 से क्लास ले रहा हूँ, तो तुम लोग बैठ के ही पढ़ रहे हो ना। आज ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट करना ही है। दो, ये लो। जल्दी करो, तो तुम लोग को करना है। हम्म मैं जल्दी जल्दी बनाते जाऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा करना है अभी? क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 पढ़ना जल्दी से। Okay, so for a sale of q units, the total revenue is 2q. Okay, so here total revenue, that means R of q is equal to 2q. It is given. Whereas so here the cost function is given R C of q, and that is equal to 500 plus 1 by 2. Okay, q by 20 whole square. Okay, like this. What we have to find? So rate of change of profit. It means profit is represented by capital P. Okay. When q is equals to 500. So what you have to do first, you have to find profit. So remember, P of X, profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Okay. So here profit capital P is equal to revenue is represented by R of Q minus cost is represented by C of Q. Okay. So profit will be P is equal to 2Q minus cost is this. So it will be minus 500 minus 1 upon 2 Q by 20 whole square. Correct? So this is what profit function in terms of Q. Okay. Now you have to find dP upon dQ, and you have to put Q is equal to 500 in that, and you will get answer. Clear? So this is what rate of change of profit. Whenever rate of change is considered, then we will differentiate. करेक्ट, पहले डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे फिर क्यू की। पहले अगर क्यू की जगह 500 पुट कर दोगे तो वो तो कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 आ जाएगा। रेट ऑफ चेंज चेक कर लेना उसको, ठीक है, सॉल्व करके। इसमें क्या लिखा है? रेट 2 माइनस क्यू अपॉन 400, हाँ वही आ रहा है। फिर उसके क्यू की प्लेस पे 500 पुट करोगे और वो 0.75 आ जाएगा। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे मूव करें। हाँ, पूरा सेव हो जाएगा पीडीएफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 रीड करना। Question number 15, C of X is given. You have to find marginal cost. Just differentiate this. You'll get marginal cost. Average cost, just divide by X. You'll get average cost. Slope of average cost. Derivative of second. Yes, derivative of second part. Okay. Chevy, okay? Okay. Question number 16. If the cost of production of X units, C of X is given, find average cost function. So it will be divided by X. नेक्स्ट अच्छा, एक्चुअली 16 से ना वो मिनिमम मैक्सिमम वाले कंसेप्ट है, मुझे बोर्ड में बताना पड़ेगा। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, just see question number 16. So what is given? Cost function C of X is given. C of X cost function is 40 minus 2x, minus 20x plus 10x square. Okay, now what you have to do first, you have to find average cost function. So average cost function means AC, that is equal to C of X divided by X. So it will be 40 upon X minus 20 plus 10x. Okay, it will be the average cost function. Further, mm, find the average cost function and the output x where average cost is minimum. So you have to find x is equal to cost question mark when average cost function is minimum. क्लियर, ये चीज क्लियर है सबको? अब रिकॉल करो मैक्सिमा मिनिमम, व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड इन मैक्सिमा मिनिमा. सो लेट अस कंसीडर द एवरेज कॉस्ट फंक्शन एज f of x. दिस इज आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन टू whom we have to minimize. So how we minimize a function, how we get minimum value of this f of x? First we will differentiate this and we will find f dash of x. So f dash of x will be d by dx of ac. Okay, and the derivative of this function will be what? It will be minus 40 upon x square plus 10, correct? Just check. Okay, then we will equate the first derivative to 0. So f dash of x is equal to 0. So here minus 40 upon x square plus 10 is equal to 0. So 10 upon 10 is equal to 40 upon x square. So you'll get x square is equal to 4, correct? And you'll get x is equal to plus minus 2. We will consider x is equal to 2 only one value of x. Now we have to check whether x is equal to 2, it is maximum or minimum, because it is critical point. In this point we will get either maxima or minima. For that we have to find second derivative, that means f double dash of x. So second derivative test. So second derivative of AC function will be like this. It will be what? Derivative of this part is 0 and derivative of this will be 40 upon x cube, correct? Okay, so here second derivative is greater than 0. When second derivative is greater than 0, so this point is called point of minima. Recall karo point of minima. Okay, so AC is minimum at x is equal to 2. That's it, yoga answer. नहीं है समझ में? नंबर लाइन में पुट करके भी कर सकते, चलेगा. उसमें साइन चेक करना पड़ेगा. पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, हाँ नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव, हाँ करेक्ट है. नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव में दो मेथड है ना मैक्सिमा मिनिमा के. फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट जिसमें नंबर लाइन वाला मेथड यूज करते. सेकंड मेथड इज सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट. ओके, शेवी क्लियर? ओके. Now next question, move to the next question. This was question 16. Next question is 17. Question number 17. Just read question number 17. The demand function p of x is given like this. P of x is equal to, ये देखो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है अनुश्री रिया, इस पे ध्यान दे दो 5-10 मिनट और, ठीक है? The demand function p of x is equal to 300 minus x square. Find the revenue function. So what will be revenue function r of x? जल्दी बोलो. 300x minus x cube. In the second part, we have to find marginal revenue. So differentiate this. MR will be what? 300 minus 3x square. In the third point, we have to find what we have to find? Revenue when x, maximum revenue. At what value of x revenue is maximum? Okay. So to find maximum revenue, r of x को differentiate करेंगे. So ये already r of x given है. So this divided by dx. So we will put this is equal to 0, mr is equal to 0, or dr of dx is equal to 0, and we will get 3x square is equal to 0. So we'll get x is equal to 10. Okay. Now at x is equal to 10, we have to show that it is maximum. So for that, second derivative should be negative. So find second derivative of revenue function, dr square by dx square. So second derivative of this will be what? Minus 6x. So obviously it is negative. So at x is equal to 10, you'll get maximum value. Okay. कुछ डाउट इसमें? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे मूव करें. हटा दूं क्या ये पीडीएफ तो सेव कर रहा हूं ना, देख लेना उसमें से. क्वेश्चन नंबर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, अनुश्री पढ़ना क्वेश्चन 18. x is equals to 600 minus p upon 8. Okay, price is p per unit. Okay, x units per week. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Profit minimum, profit maximum. Clear? So what is given? X is given, p is price. Okay, profit को maximize करना है. So profit p of x is what? R of x minus c of x. Clear? Okay, so c of x is given, the cost function is given. We have to calculate r of x. So how we calculate r of x? It is p into x. This is what r of x. So we have to find p in terms of x. So value of p in terms of x will be what? Calculate karo. Just a second. ओके ओके ओके, चलो जल्दी. ये समझ में आया क्या? अब p की वैल्यू निकालो in terms of x. So value of p in terms of x, it will be what? It will be, I think, 600 minus 8x. Okay, चेक करो यहां से, ये p की वैल्यू आ जाएगी in terms of x. Further, r of x is equal to p into x. So r of x will be what? 600 minus 8x into x. So r of x will be 600x minus 8x square. अरे ये यहां से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 8x इज इक्वल टू 600 माइनस p. p को इधर शिफ्ट करो, 8x को इधर शिफ्ट करो. सो विल गेट p इज इक्वल टू 600 माइनस 8x. अभी क्लियर? अभी ये यहां पर वैल्यू पुट की, r ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू p इंटू x. p और x की वैल्यू. सो ये r ऑफ x रेवेन्यू फंक्शन हो गया. c ऑफ x, दिस इज कॉस्ट फंक्शन. सो द प्रॉफिट फंक्शन p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू r ऑफ x माइनस c ऑफ x. So it will be 600x minus 8x square minus x square plus 78x plus 250 is equal to 2500. Now simplify this. So p of x will be what? After simplification, you will get minus 9x square. Difference of this will be plus 522x minus 2500. Just check. This will be the profit function. Okay. ठीक है, इसको कंप्लीट कर ले पहले. अभी कंप्लीट कहाँ हुआ? प्रॉफिट फंक्शन निकला ना, बट प्रॉफिट शुड बी मैक्सिमम. प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमम करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? डिफरेंशिएट डी पी ऑफ एक्स बाय डी ऑफ एक्स. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस विल बी minus 18x plus 522. Now equate the first derivative to 0. Obviously the second derivative will be negative. Okay, because second derivative will be minus 18, so it is negative, so we'll get maxima. So equate this to 0. Minus 18x plus 522 is equal to 0. So 18x is equal to 522 and you'll get x. X is equal to 522 divided by 18. So it will be like 18. कितना होगा? 18 2s are 36. 36, 52 minus 36, it will be 16, 162. 18 9s are 162. So x is equal to 29. ये होगा correct answer. Clear? सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव देख लो ना, नेगेटिव आ रहा है. हाँ हाँ, तो मैक्सिमा ही तो बोल रहा हूं. तो x इज इक्वल टू 29 पे मैक्सिमा है. यस करेक्ट, यहां से वैल्यू मिलती है, यहां से क्रिटिकल पॉइंट मिलता है, इस पॉइंट पे या मैक्सिमा होगा या मिनिमा होगा। अब सेकंड डेरिवेटिव डिसाइड करता है ये मैक्सिमा देगा ये मिनिमा देगा। ओके, सो ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? 18, 19, 20, 21, ये तीन क्वेश्चंस ट्राई कर लेना। प्रॉफिट पे बेस्ड है एक्चुअली सारे फंक्शंस, ऐसे ही वाले। अगर आप उसमें पढ़ोगे ना तो लिखा है टोटल प्रॉफिट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन या मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट, सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द प्रॉफिट एंड डिफरेंशिएट दैट एंड इक्वल टू 0। हाँ भेज दूंगा मैं, वो उसमें डाल दूंगा ड्राइव में, उसमें से डाउनलोड कर लेना, ठीक है? हाँ उसकी लिंक ग्रुप डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, उसमें अप्लाइड मैथ्स का फोल्डर पे चले जाना।
And sir, that question number 5, second part.
Yes, yes, just wait. You stay connected. I will explain that. Okay, welcome. So the second part in question number 5, what is given? C of x is given to you. C of x is 5x square upon root over x square plus 3 plus 600. Okay. So we have to verify that half of, no, sorry, d by dx of AC, d by dx of AC is equal to 1 upon x mc minus AC. Okay. So this is what we have to verify. So first we will find AC. So AC will be 5x upon root over x square plus 3 plus 600 upon x. So this will be your AC. Okay. Now we have to find MC also. So MC is d by dx of C. So it will be d by dx of 5x square upon root over x square plus 3 plus 600. Okay. So here it will be 5 and we will apply quotient rule in this part, okay? We have taken 5 outside the derivative since it is constant. So while applying quotient rule, we will get square of denominator. So it will be like x square plus 3. And further in numerator, we will get root x square plus 3. And derivative of denominator, that will be 2x. Okay. Uh, After this, minus numerator, which is x square, derivative of denominator, it will be 1 upon 2 root x square plus 3 into derivative of x square plus 3, which will be 2x. Okay, so we will get a function expression like this. Further, 5 upon x square plus 3, we have taken this part common, and here 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. After this, when we take LCM, it will be like this. This term will be multiplied with this. So 2x into x square plus 3 minus, it will be x cube, I think. Yes, x cube. Okay, now check till this part. Any doubts till this part?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now further we can take x common from numerator. So it will be like this. Whole raised to power, it will become 3 by 2 because this to the power 1 by 2 and power 1. Now here we will get 2x square plus 6 minus x square. Okay. So after simplifying this, we will get mc is equal to, it will be x square 6. So it will be 5x into x square plus 6 divided by x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2. Now just check and confirm whether this part is clear or not.
Sir, 2 we have taken common, no?
No, we have not taken 2 common from here. Actually, this 2x square minus x square, it will become x square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So this is what MC. Now, Now we have to further create this LHS desired function. So LHS will be d by dx of AC. So it is d by dx of AC. Now what is AC? AC is given here, na? So derivative of this part. So d by dx of AC will be 5x upon root over x square plus 3 plus 600 upon x. Okay. Now take 5 outside the derivative and apply quotient rule. So here it will be like x square plus 3 square of denominator, numerator, denominator x square plus 3, derivative of numerator which is 1 minus numerator. So here the numerator is what? The numerator is x, derivative of denominator, so it will be 1 upon 2 root x square plus 3 into 2x. Okay, so this part plus the derivative of this part will be 600 upon x, so it will be
We could have like first taken LCM, and so that we could get the denominator equal, like that we can do.
what first second LCM means.
So like we have 5x upon root x square plus 3 and then 600 upon x. So like
Yes.
can we take LCM so that we will have just one denominator which will be equal, no, on both the sides.
uh Actually, yes, that thing you can also do, but in this case, the denominator will be like this: x square plus 3 into x. So when you apply quotient rule and while differentiating the denominator, you have to apply the product rule
Yes, sir.
also for differentiating denominator. So that will be a little complicated
So
as
then
compared to
can you
this.
please
Okay.
once again explain this step? Like after d by dx, you have taken 5 outside then.
We have taken 5 outside, so this is our numerator and this is denominator. So first the square of denominator will be there, so square of this root will be like this, and in numerator it will be denominator and derivative of numerator. So derivative of x is 1 minus numerator is x and derivative of this denominator. So here the derivative of this part will be 1 upon 2 root this term. Chain rule, we have applied chain rule, and derivative of x square plus 3 will be 2x.
So basically we are taking 5x upon root x square plus 3 as quotient rule that we will be applying, and 600 plus x will be different part.
Yes, actually we are applying quotient rule here, and this complete part represent the derivative of this. We have applied quotient rule here, and we are taking derivative of this part separately. Okay, is it clear till this step?
Yes.
Okay. Further, it will be like 5 upon x square plus 3, and this 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. Okay. Now we will take LCM here, and the LCM will be root x square plus 3. In numerator, it will be x square plus 3 minus this term will be x into x, so we will get x square. Okay. So further, this x square, the x square gets cancelled out, and we will get 5 threes are 15. 15 upon this term will be x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2. Also, this term is there, minus 600 upon x square. So we have to write this term only also, minus 600 upon x square.
So how you have written 3 there, x square plus 3?
How?
Yes, so this one step only, x
This,
square plus 3. So from
uh,
where we have written that?
yes, just look at this step. Here the denominator of this part is 1. Here the denominator of this part is x square plus 3. So I have taken x square plus 3 LCM. And also I have taken this part outside this bracket. So it will be like 5 upon x square plus 3. And when we take root x square plus 3 LCM, so this term gets multiplied with this term. And
Yes,
we can
got
remove the root. Okay.
it. Yes, sir.
Okay. So is it clear till this step?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what our LHS, left hand side. Okay. So we can leave LHS here, and now we will calculate the RHS right hand side. Okay, Now to find RHS right hand side, RHS right hand side is 1 upon x MC minus AC. Okay, so here 1 upon x, what is MC? We had calculated MC, it was 5x x square plus 6 divided by x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2 minus AC. So AC was 5x upon root over x square plus 3 x square plus 3 plus 6x upon plus 6 upon x plus 600 upon x plus 600 upon x. So this was AC. Okay, so here the value of MC and AC, both the functions, I have gone through this and put the values of both the function here. Okay, now take now open the bracket. So this x gets multiplied with this term. So we'll get 5 into x square plus 6x, because this x and this x gets cancelled out. Okay, divided by denominator, we will get x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2. Now also for this part also, this x and this x gets cancelled out, and we will get minus 5 upon root over x square plus 3. Okay, now here in the last part it will be minus 600 upon x square. This step is clear? Shall
So
we
you said that we will be multiplying x, no? So
Yes.
in the denominator, it is same only as it is x square plus 3 and then 3 by 2 is in the power. So where we have multiplied 1 by x?
We have multiplied 1 by x with this part. So this x and
Okay,
this x
so
get
it's quotients.
similarly here also this x and this x gets cancelled out. But in the last term in numerator there is no x. So that's why it is multiplied with denominator. Okay. Correct till this
Yes,
part?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now just look at the LHS, what we got in LHS. I'm just copying that part here. So this was the LHS. Uh, okay, so this was the LHS. We got how many terms? Just check. We got this term. Okay, this term is here minus 600 upon x square. But this term we have not achieved this term. Okay, so further we have to simplify this part. So for that we will take LCM here. And about the LCM will be x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2. Okay, this will be the LCM. And further 5 into x square plus 6, this part will be as it is, minus 5 into x square plus 3, this part gets multiplied with this. Now just check this point. This step is clear to you or not? We have taken x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2 as LCM. So
Sir, like in bracket, we have to write like this, na, x square plus 3 whole to the power 3 by 2, and then again in bracket root x square plus 3.
this part.
So that minus 5 upon root x square plus 3 we have.
Yes.
That also we will like include in the denominator, no?
In denominator, what? Okay, just wait one minute. Another method I am explaining to you is, okay, so this part is clear. 5x square plus 6 divided by x square plus 3 into the whole raised to power this. Now in this part actually this part is x square plus 3 whole raised to power 1 by 2. Just multiply x square plus 3 in numerator and denominator both the side. X square plus 3 in numerator, also in denominator. Okay, just because this term is also x raised to power 3 by 2. Okay, so it will be
Like
5x.
the first term already has x plus 3 whole to the power 1 by 2, so we will not multiply it there.
Yes, in this case we have already got this power 3 by 2. Here it will be like this, divided by x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2. Now take LCM here. So it will be x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2. In numerator it will be like 5x square plus 30. Okay. minus multiplication of this will be 5x square minus 15. Okay, because minus is there, so both the terms will be negative. Further, when we open the bracket, we will see that 5x square and minus 5x square gets cancelled out. 30
Yes, sir.
minus 15, it will be 15.
15.
So we got 15 upon x square plus 3 whole raised to power 3 by 2 minus this term is already there, so I have not written, however. So it will be 6 upon x square. So we got LHS and RHS both equal. Okay.
So this question is for how many marks? Both the parts. It is very like it is easy, but there are a lot of steps.
Yes, actually, this question is basically based on derivative, not actually based on application of derivative. So at max, we can expect this question for 4 marks only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But however, for this exercise, your focus should be more not on this type of question, but basically on marginal cost or based on maximum profit questions where we have to apply derivatives. Means application of derivatives where we have to find increasing profit or when the profit is maximum. So that type of question is more important from this exercise or topic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Welcome.